ask nobody for forgiveness? Why the hell am I forgiving him and he didn't ask to be forgiven? But I don't see them saying that we forgive Umar Abdullah, whatever his name is. I didn't hear a peep of forgiveness coming from the white community. So that means that they are holding us to a standard that they don't even adopt. Come on now, we got to keep it real today. And I'm going to speak the truth in the face of the enemy. Because I want the enemy to see that right now we will not be deceived. You see that red, black, and green over there? Yeah. That red, black, and green flag represents everything that white supremacy is against. Whenever white supremacy sees this, you should be scared. This represents black empowerment. This represents that red, black, and green flag. That represents opposition to slavery. That red, black, and green flag represents opposition to police brutality. That red, black, and green flag represents everything that white America fears. And like Public Enemy said, it's a fear of a black planet. Say it loud, what? I'm black and I'm proud. Say it loud. I'm black and I'm proud. That's right.